So the tool that I decided to use for my survey was Google Forms, since it's something I'm familiar with and something that I pretty much use in my day-to-day life. And of course I did a survey about mental health since that is my course content theme. So many of the questions that I did was just to get a basic understanding of, this would just be to get a basic understanding of the students' knowledge about mental illness and mental health, um, and if they like what they believe, like what kind of facts they think. And then I also have questions about mental health stigma. And then some of my questions, most of my questions are multiple choice, but the last one I did open ended because I thought that was more of an answer that I wanted to get the students' opinions on. And so I think it's a little bit better to do an open ended question to get their opinion on it rather than multiple choice. And then for Google Forms, the responses are shown in pie charts usually. And you can either do a summary of everyone's or you can go through the individual responses. I like doing the summary just because it gives you a better it gives you a better gauge of where the students are at and what the students are thinking about the material. So for the most part, most of the students agreed with each other except for this one. And then I also liked this one because I got the difference, different responses of everyone and just kind of the opinions. So I like that part, that aspect, rather than just doing a pretty basic multiple choice answer. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my survey.